Okay, you can use markup in photos. So I can click on my photos, and this works the same on a phone or on an iPad. And then you go ahead and you select the photo that you want to mark up, and then you'll just click edit, which is in the top right. You've got these three little dots over here on the side, and you'll go ahead and click markup. And then you have these other options here. So I can go ahead and I can draw something, I can highlight something, I can change color, I can erase. I can also go ahead and make some kind of a mark. I can lasso it, and then I can move it wherever I like. But I'm going to go ahead and erase that. The other thing that you can do is you can add text. So I can take this little text box right here and go ahead and put some text in there. I can change the size of it, and I have three choices of different kinds of text that I can do. I can also go ahead and change the color of it. Whoops. And then I can go ahead and move that text box around. So if I want to erase this one, I can. I also can do a signature. And so I can go ahead and do a signature, say done, and then I can have my signature. Now if I go and do another signature, it will add, I can delete this one, or I can add another signature, so you can have more than one signature on there. And there's my signature again, and of course I can make it bigger or smaller. The other things that you can do is add a magnifier, which is kind of a cool little tool. So I can magnify someone, I can change the magnification, change the size, and there that shows up there. I can also add some of these shapes down here at the bottom. So I can go ahead and add that. And once I have that shape, I've got this little box right there. I can do different types of things with my shape that I did. Let's go ahead and add another. I can add a call out. So there's my call out. I can move that. I can also change it so that the person, I can change it. So, and then I can also, let's go ahead and fill that in, and then I can go and add a text box here, and I can go ahead and put my text box right here, and I can and have the person saying some text. So that's how you use markup. Then you just go ahead and click done, and there you go. So now it's in my camera roll. If I ever decide I want it back, I can also come up here to edit, and I can go to revert back to the original, and I can do that. Now one of the things that you might want to do is you also might want to go ahead and make a duplicate of your picture, and so down here when I do that, I can duplicate that picture. So now I'll have two, and I can edit one, and I can keep the original on the other one. So that's how you do that in photos. Now I can also do this in messages. So let's go to messages, and I'm going to go ahead and add a message. So here I am, and I can go ahead and click on the camera. I can find a picture. Let's use a little Paco, and then I can go ahead and click on Paco, and right up down here at the bottom left I can click on markup, and I can do the same thing here. So I can say, look at my PJs. Look at my PJs. And I can add text or a signature, a magnifier, and I can do all the same things. And then I can save, say done, and then right here I can go ahead and send my message. So I'll send my message, and there it goes.